Alrighty guys, so this is the current configuration that I have right now. However, I don't really like this blocking the natural light of the room because this room actually doesn't get much light. And obviously if it's my dressing room, I want it to have as much natural light as possible. I was thinking about putting a mirror in here, so maybe I will utilize this clothing rack, put clothes in here, maybe like do my pants in here, and then start from here and have a mirror here so I can kind of like take selfies and obviously look at what I look like in the clothes, because it's my dressing room. I obviously don't want to like be going from out in here to out any of there, just because I kind of want to like, you know, be able to do everything in here. So currently working with the configuration, not really liking this, so we'll see how we go with some stuff in here. I don't really like the idea of having stuff in here because I wanted to do this more like accessories, but I might just keep accessories in my other room. So we'll see how we go. Let's see what we can do. Alrighty guys, so I've just put all my bottoms, so shorts, jeans, pants, skirts in here, and I really like the look of it actually. I think I will just keep it to maybe pants and jeans though. I don't know, it depends how much room I have on these once I've sorted everything out. So I think I can get rid of one of these rails and put a mirror, or maybe even two of these rails, I'm not too sure. I also have this thing in my other study, hold on. I also have this double hanger which I could put in there, but I feel like it wouldn't match, so I'm not too sure about that. But yeah, I'm just going to keep trying different configurations. I don't think I'll be able to talk to you guys for a while because my brother's about to mow the lawn, but I'll touch base with you soon. Alrighty guys, so I've basically ruined the room again. So I've put in the mirror, and I've also just popped in this double hanging system, which I believe I got from Amazon for like $40. If I can find the one I got, I'll put it linked in the description, because I searched forever for one of these. I've always wanted double hangers, just obviously so I could have more room. This is super easy to set up and super inexpensive. So basically it just like pops in, so like it glides down, and then you use these little sockets to like pop it in, and it just like sticks to the roof. It doesn't even like do anything to the roof. I literally just had it over this side and it didn't make any marks. So yeah, it's super cool. So I thought I'd put this here, my mirror next to it, so when I take photos in the mirror you can't see that the room has this in it, so it looks kind of the same. So now I'm going to put all these back and see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so what I thought I would do just for the outro is I'll just update you guys with what I've done and end it here. So I'll give you a little tour in a second. Alrighty guys, so I've decided to put the mirror here and this double hanging thing here. I'm definitely going to get more of these. It's just they take a few weeks to come, and also I don't really have the money for them right now, so I'm just gonna wait because it would look really good if I had all this here, and it would give me so much extra space, and right now I'm really not liking this configuration, so that would be much better I think. So here I've hung all my outerwear. This is like all my op shop stuff, like some stuff I've just gotten, some stuff I really, yeah, it's just kind of all my op shop and vintage stuff. I've put this little cabinet here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here because I might put my makeup desk here. I'm not too sure about that either. And then I've just hung these, put these 2 hanging rails here. I would have loved a third there, but it just didn't fit by like a centimeter, so I was really annoyed about that. And I'm really not liking how this is looking. Sorry, I'm actually so out of breath right now. So yeah, what I was saying was I'm really not liking the way this is looking at the moment. I've kind of just hung all my hats here. Also not liking the way this is looking either. And then, like I said before, my pants and shorts and skirts are in there. So yeah, that's it at the moment. So yeah, that's the room at the moment, and I'm not really liking it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If I should get another one of these, if I should change the configuration, if I should make rail across here. I just obviously need as much lighting as I can because right now I'm even using my filming light, but then I think maybe if I'm already using my filming light, I may as well just put something there and use my filming light, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah guys, that's where I'm up to with the room. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. I'm going to continue this tomorrow, so I'm going to upload this right now for you guys. It's Sunday, it's 4:30ish right now I think. So I'm going to upload this for you tonight. Leave your comments so I can know what to do for tomorrow or this week when I get to it next. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you like this type of video or not. All comments are welcome, all opinions are welcome. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this guys. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and make sure to give this a thumbs up. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys real soon for part 2. Bye!